everyone, the Home Service Pro here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean out your toe tap or shower drain that isn't draining properly. So let's get started. Alright everyone, this is the drain that we will be working on today. It is called a toe tapper drain. So what that means is when you push down on it, it holds the water. And when you push on it again, it pops it up and allows all the water to drain out. So let's see what's going on here. So when we turn on the water, let it fill up a little bit, and we stop it. As you can see, the water is draining very slowly. So the water will pool in the bottom, and you're kind of just standing in your own dirty water. So let's fix it. Okay guys, so this is how you take the drain apart. So what you want to do is just turn and loosen up your drain, and the whole drain assembly should pop right up. So it looks like there's a lot of hair down in there. So I'm going to grab my needle nose pliers and I'm going to grab at this hair and see what our problem is. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, yum. There's still some more in there. Oh yeah. This would definitely be the culprit. Yeah, it's really tangled up in there. That's why it's really nice to have needle nose pliers. You can get down in there real good and get all that hair. There's still more coming. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. It's no wonder why this drain wasn't working very well. Holy moly. Alright, we're getting there. There we go. I think the last chunk is about to come up here. Maybe. All right, so there you go. That is the culprit. So now that we have this all cleaned up, we can get this fixed. All right, now that we got all of that cleaned up, I'm just gonna run some water down in the drain to clean up any last loose debris. And while we're at it, I'll also rinse off our pop-up assembly. All right. Now we just need to reinstall our pop-up assembly. So you're just gonna wanna twist it on there, and you want it to be snug. There we go. All right, now we're just gonna push it down. All right, that works. Now let's test it out. Run some water in there. And we'll pop up the drain. Oh yeah, look at how fast that drains now. Much better. Okay guys, I showed you how to remove your pop-up assembly, clean it up, and reinstall it, and now it works how it should. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day, and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.